Welcome everyone. In this video, we will discuss why sine graph is a wave. Why sine graph is a wave. Let's draw let's draw a relation between the angle theta and the function sine theta and calculate each angle from 15 to 360. Then we will find the result together. First, sine 15 sine 15 it would be 0.25. Okay, sine 15 it would be 0.25 approximately here at this point. Then sine 30, as we know, it will be 0.5 approximately here in this point. 0.5. Sine 45 sine 45 it will be 0.707. 0.7. Sine 60 it would be 0.86. 0.86 approximately here. Then the sine 75 it will be 0.96. 0.96 approximately here. Then, as we know all, sine 90 equals 1. Sine 90 equals 1 at this point. Then follow sine 105 to be 0.96. 0.96. Okay, at the same plane it would be here. Sine 120 would be 0.86 at this plane. 0.86 approximately here. Sine 135 would be 0.707 approximately here at this point. Sine 150 would be half. Approximately here at this point. Sine 165 would be 0.25 approximately here. Sine 180, as we know also, sine 180 it will be 0, so this is sine 180. Let's continue. Sine 195 will be negative 0.25, so it will be negative sign. Okay, 195 it will be negative 0.25 approximately here. Then sine 210 would be negative half approximately here at this point. Then sine 225, it will be negative 0.707, negative 0.7 approximately it would be here. Then sine 240, sine 200 it will be negative 0.86, negative 0.84 and 0.86, and negative sign approximately it would be here. Then sine 255 it would be negative 0.96 approximately here. Then sine 270 would be negative 1 at this point. Okay, continue. 285 to be negative 0.96 approximately here. Let's make this calculator here. Then sine 300 would be negative 0.86 approximately here at this point. Then sine 315 it would be negative 0.707. It would be here at this point approximately. Then sine 330 it would be negative half exactly at this point. Then then sine 345 it would be negative 0.2, sorry, it would be negative 0.25 at this point. Finally, sine 360 it would be 0. So we return it back to 0 again. Let's draw a line. Joining these points together. Let's draw a line between this point to this point. Let's change color, size, also color black, from 0 to this point, then to this point, to this point. It will give you as you see, it will give you a wave shape. So that's why sine graph is a wave. I hope this video add a benefit to you. Thank you for your watching. Bye bye.